somebody tomorrow says
Yes,
that I am going to gherao
yes,
the entire High Court premises,
yes.
as a state, will you not take cognizance of it?
Of course.
See, the public bottom line is you are not concerned about the public. You are not concerned about the office goers. Might is right.
My lord, I'm
not,
not,
able to come. Entire Friday was lost, sir. There not a single person in the
my lord,
court.
I am not on, my lord, whether it should.
It is a political arena. It's a political battlefield. You fight it out. You fight it out in the proper forum. You have succeeded. They have lost. They have succeeded. You have lost. That's nothing at all. Yes, Advocate General, is it a
Yes,
fact that some permission you have granted?
No, there's no permission at all. There's no permission. Nothing has been granted. This is some event which happened, my lord, on 21st of July. My lord, speeches were
Speeches were made,
correct.
and in the speeches, just now, where did they refer?
Yes, my lord, there are
On 5th August, there's supposed to be a rally, etc.
Yes.
No.
a gherao, not a rally.
Ah.
A gherao. My lord, it's
And
recognized.
public will not be affected by the gherao.
No, nothing. Nothing.
And who granted permission for that gherao?
No permission. They have made a statement that they will gherao. That's all. There's a statement here.
And the state will accept that.
No.
If suppose
Yes,
somebody tomorrow says
yes,
that I am going to gherao
yes,
the entire High Court premises,
yes.
as a state, will you not take cognizance of it?
Of course.
See, the public are affected,
Of
sir.
course, my lord, if my lord public are affected, certainly. But my lord, I want to show your lordship, my lord, that this kind of a petition, my lord, cannot form, my lord, the subject matter of, my lord, a public interest
All right.
litigation.
There, you can take a stand, or the private respondent can take a stand that this statement has not been uttered. This is not.
No, I'm not saying that. My lord, it's recorded. I want to show your lordship something. I want to show your lordship something.
You are not concerned about the public, sir. The bottom line is you are not concerned about the public. You are not concerned about the office goers. Might is right.
My lord, here, my lord, a complaint is made that my lord,
has gone to the right place.
my lord, may I, my lord, make, my lord, two submissions before your lordships, if your lordships
And
permit.
such statement comes from people holding high constitutional offices. Do you say that that statement should be brushed aside? If suppose 1,000 people, 2,000 people gather and assume they gherao a particular person, do you mean to say that that particular person alone is going to be affected and nobody in and around will be affected?
My lord, my lord,
Any rally, any procession, where is the permission granted?
yes. Now, my lord, may I, my lord, make two submissions before your lordships? My lord, the grievance here is, my lord, it's not about any permission being granted, not granted. There's not one word on that in the petition. Nobody has applied for.
No, state needs to tell.
No, correct. So I want
When
to.
somebody says, I am going to plant a bomb.
Correct.
At 3 p.m. on
Correct.
such and such
Correct.
day,
Absolutely. We'll intervene.
will not the state police
Of
take
course.
cognizance?
Of course, my lord. But that is not the issue in this writ petition. My lord, I want to show your lordships. I'm sorry. My lord, I want to show your lordships, my lord, that that is not the grievance in the writ petition.
Forget about the
My lord, then your lordships, my lord, give appropriate directions. I don't
No,
stand in
we
the.
will say that such exercise or whatever program shall not be conducted.
That's, my lord, up to my lord. Oh,
That shall not be conducted. Forget about who is the complainant, but this is going beyond the limits. The general public pen down, that strike.
My lord,
Rally.
my lord, I'm
People are
not.
not able to come. Entire Friday was lost, sir. There not a single person in the
My
court.
lord, I am not on, my lord, whether it should be held, not be held. The allegation against the state is you should have registered an FIR on, my lord, there being contravention of certain provisions. My lord, of, my lord, various acts.
No,
That's
such action by any section of the society is against public interest.
no, that's a different issue.
No, a normal person making a statement, a person making a statement holding a high constitutional office makes a world of difference. Makes a world of
No, of course. My lord, I am not standing.
And please don't come out of the house. Elderly people don't come out of house. Nothing will happen to you. What is all this? Unheard of, sir. At least speaking for myself, I have not heard of.
My lord, I'll tell your lordships, my lord, what has happened here.
Whether the FIR has to be registered, Whether the writ petition should be treated and this as a complaint and registered, that's all a different matter.
My lord,
We will consider.
correct, my lord, that
Nothing is going to happen on 5th August. That's all. Either you give assurance or we pass an order. This is absolutely against the interest of the general public. It is a political arena. It's a political battlefield. You fight it out. You fight it out in the proper forum. You have succeeded. They have lost. They have succeeded. You have lost. That's nothing at all. It is the electorate's mandate which will prevail. But then, even a victory or a failure, there are certain settled parameters within which you will have to do such exercise. If a person has been wronged and he says he has sought for a judicial remedy, that's different. Otherwise, he says, I want to hold a peaceful protest, hold placards, I've applied for permission, police permission, venue, etc. It's up to you to regulate. One section says, sir, I have succeeded. It's a people's mandate. I want to celebrate. Yes. What will be your nature of celebration? Not blocking the traffic. Do something to the electorate. And what is this statement? This is impermissible, sir. Impermissible.
no, I'm not concerned about the statements, my lord. My lord,
That is affirmed by somebody else of holding such a responsible position. So that presupposes that the event has already been planned. You do that. You do all your political exercises different. Please leave the public alone. Please allow the machinery to function. Please let your officers for whom you are paying salary attend the offices. Let our officers attend the courtrooms. Let the lawyers be able to canvass cases of innocent litigants who are begging for relief, standing in the queue. So many anti-bail matters, bail matters are being listed every day. And you freeze the entire situation. Friday is enough. One one example is enough. There are nobody in this courtroom. We had to leave by 11:30. And the newspaper reports that after the rally, within 45 minutes, the entire route was clear, all debris removed, etc. Is that a credit? And from the previous day, traffic got blocked. People couldn't board the trains. All PAs who are traveling from Hooghly district could never move out of their houses. By this public interest petition, the petitioner
My lord,
to file your
my lord, there is a prayer against Election Commission India, my lord. My lord,
for the Union of India, you please wait.
no, my lord, for Election Commission India, they have a prayer against us, my lord.
You please wait for your turn.
I'm grateful, my lord. I'm grateful.
My lord is going to pass an order. Well, kindly hear me, my lord. I have applied for the.
We will not hear you.
But I am for the response number
He will
7, 8,
give
and
you
9.
at the appropriate stage, you file an affidavit.
No, my lord,
By
for the
this
part-
writ petition,
for the
the
purpose of interim
petitioner
order, I have something to say.
seeks for somebody tomorrow says
yes,
that I am going to gherao
yes,
the entire High Court premises.
yes.
As a state, will you not take cognizance of it?
Of course.
See, the public